grilled eggplant rollatini. So first thing you have to do is cut up the eggplant so that you can roll it. We're gonna cut the top and the bottom off and then get these into nice big slices. So we have 16 slices of eggplant. We just wanna get a little bit of olive oil. This is so that they do not stick to the grill pan and also to hold the salt and pepper. A little bit of salt and pepper, and we'll start grilling these up. And then I'm gonna put the seasoned side down on the grill. I wanna get nice little char marks on there. And then I will put some olive oil and salt and pepper on this side. Now, we're gonna start the filling with an egg, 15 ounces of ricotta, and a half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan, a little salt and pepper, a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes. It will really round out the flavor. I'm gonna grab some fresh herbs, a little bit of parsley, about a tablespoon chopped up. Some basil. I want to grate some garlic in here too. The filling is done. Now we can start rolling up our rollatini. Just a jarred marinara sauce. So just about a cup. Just want to get a thin layer for the rollatini to nest in. So just grab one slice, take your thicker end, just a tablespoon of filling, put it right on the very end, and roll that right up. Tuck it in, and the eggplant is nice and tender, so I can roll it easily from the grilling. I'm just gonna put the seam side down so it stays closed. Okay, once your rollatini is all laid out, then you take another cup of marinara and get that on top. You want it to peek through. And then we need more cheese, so we've got a little bit of mozzarella, freshly grated, and that goes right on top. It is a perfect casserole dish with individual servings ready to go. There we go. Oven is preheated to 425 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes.
I love eggplant rollatini. Oh, it's got a little kick, too.
So put a little bit of chili flake.
It's so good.